Now is available at Mccarthycars, Chrysler Delta, 61 plate, metallic blue. Car has front daylights, front fog lights, (17-inch) alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass. It's got electric panoramic glass roof. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX chassis preparation. 4 electric window, electric mirror. Car has CD. It's got aux connection. Air conditioning. It's got USB and aux. Blue and Me Bluetooth. Automatic transmission. 2 central cup holders. Central armrest. Multifunction steering wheel. Paddle shift. Thank you for watching.